While every patient group has their own unique set of challenges, what would you point to as the greatest unmet need of patients that pharma must seek to address through patient advocacy?
Yeah, that's a great question, Courtney. So, I think the greatest unmet need of patients that we as pharmaceutical industry can address ultimately will have to be to make products and services that enhance their lives, right? That ultimately either
Mhm,
provide a cure to the conditions that they live with or at least alleviate the symptoms and the progression of the diseases. And
mhm,
I think what's so important in this context, and this is really where we need to be working so closely with the patient organizations, is what is it that actually matters to the people living with those conditions? What is it about their lives that they, most miss or most want to maintain? And I think here we're talking really about quality of life, and it's so important not to work with assumptions and to assume that, oh, just because somebody has cancer, they won't care so much about this and that side effect, when indeed, it means a huge deal to them because it really hinders people from doing what they had set out to do that morning, and they just wanted to go and pick up their kids from school, but they can't because they're feeling terrible. And I think that's
mm.
where we need to actually listen to the people, and luckily that's where the patient groups play an enormous role in educating us and in also supporting us and our product development teams in providing those insights so that we can really understand what matters to ultimately the customer, and that's the person living with the condition. And anybody producing any kind of consumer good would be going about it the same way, right? So we need to be doing that as well.